Christmas and happy holidays. Welcome to my vlog. My name is Dawn and I'm gonna do all the things that I do on Christmas in this vlog. I usually don't ever stay home for Christmas, so this is the first year and we'll just see how it goes. I want to start off this vlog by opening the box right here. I'm so excited about it. It's my Christmas present to myself and my mom. It's just something to spruce up today, and then we're gonna go make some Christmas pancakes. So let's just get right into it. Unboxing! In like the packing slip, I literally wrote gift message, congrats on your happiness from me. I'm so stupid. I love it. Anyways, I did talk about this in my previous video. Wow, I even got a cookbook. This is my first cookbook. I've never had a cookbook. I'm actually, wow. Okay. I love how it feels. My first cookbook. I'm so excited. I do it like story time. Chopped cabbage, sauerkraut salad, muffins. Ooh, whole wheat pizza dough. Y'all, I'll be going crazy over this. I feel like I should open this with my mom, but she just left, so. Oh my god, it's so pretty. The 2-part lid with the 2-liter jug. It's not easy. Oh, yeah, it is. I'm just a little bitch. Oh my god. I'm surprised it just like came like this in the mail. And like there's no bubble wrap or anything. I also thought this would be rubber, but it's fully plastic. Oh my god, this is like a blender. I could put like protein shakes in this and drink it. What? Wow. I guess this is for this. Yay! And we got the white one because I just think it's so much nicer than a black one. Thanks for watching my unboxing. I'm pretty sure it was like a major fail. Yeah. Lost the bauble. No. Huh. These sparkling ones are, when they drop, they just throw up sparkles. Okay, now that we've seen that, my stockings are like fully empty. It's just gonna sit there and like I'll clean up the mess later. But we are going to make pancakes. This recipe is like my best friend's dad's recipe, so I don't know if I can specifically share it, but I'm actually really excited to make this with y'all. I really don't like do well in the kitchen, so Jackson usually does all of the cooking and I usually do all of the baking. I'm gonna consider this baking just for the sake of my like sanity. Ew. So the reason why I decided to make these specific pancakes is because a couple winters ago, I went to visit Jess's family, like my best friend's family out in Idaho, because that's where the entire extended family kind of lives. And that's where they're like based out of. It was so phenomenal. And this is one of their like traditions. And I just wanted to like make it again because I actually really miss it. My family doesn't have any Christmas traditions. And that's why I usually travel away. We're just not the most festive family, so I'm like totally okay with not spending my Christmas this year. I know it's a little bit sad when I tell other people. I think people think it's sad, but I'm just like so used to it that I don't think it's sad. I feel like I'm the only person that struggles with Christmas and like I don't want to be a Grinch, so I'm just gonna say I'm super grateful this year that I do get to spend it with my family and at home. Not entirely my family because no one's here. I'm gonna really enjoy doing all the things that I'm doing in today's vlog. Can you let me know in the comments below if your family does have Christmas traditions? If not, like, totally feel for you. I am there with you. Have a teaspoon. I want it to be super fine. I also honestly don't stay in Vancouver just because it's like so miserable, the weather. Yay! Yay! Okay, I'm super excited to make this. This is probably enough for myself. If it's good enough, I'll save one for Jackson. So we're gonna make this, eat this, basically all alone on Christmas morning. I'm okay with that because I have y'all. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna put these on the pan. Honestly, I don't know if they're cooked all the way through. I don't think this one is. Pancake essentials. Let me tell ya. Okay, I love breakfast food, so this is, I'm so excited. Raspberries were on sale. So I got them for my oatmeal because I'm gonna start eating oatmeal for breakfast. But it works perfectly for today. Aw, I don't have juice. I don't have juice. That's okay, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna save one for Jackson, the smallest one. Oh, this one's burnt though, so I'll save the first one for Jackson. You know, I just want him to know that I did it, even though he's gonna watch it and know that I did it. And then I'm gonna make it all pretty, and then I'll show you all what I have accomplished. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? You're not ready. Hee hee. My 2 pancakes for Christmas breakfast. I feel like I did a decent job. I'm excited. I'm sad I don't have juice. That would have made my Christmas a little bit better. I'm mostly hoping it's just cooked all the way through. And she is. Can you see? So, usually when Jess's parents make this, it's not with raspberries, it's with huckleberries. And obviously I don't have huckleberries, so I'm using raspberries, and this is actually really good as well. These raspberries are bomb. They're not in season, but they're bomb. I'm glad I got them on sale. Definitely a little undercooked. Maybe I'll cook that one more. Is that allowed? I don't know if you're allowed to just cook more. I'll just cook it more. I just don't want to die. This combo is like delicious. Oh, so good. I love it. Hot chocolate is so good. We're watching Shawn Mendes in Wonder Tour and doing this 1,000-piece puzzle. Finished with the edges. Yay. That actually took a lot longer. Jackson was saying that I probably am underestimating the amount of time that this is gonna take. My hair is a mess. It's going to make, wow, it's like bright today. I'm so happy about it. Okay, so I was going to make cookies from scratch, but that's not gonna happen today. I am just gonna bake some regular sugar cookies. They're my favorite. I try to get them every holiday. Oh, they're upside down. Pillsbury. Yay, okay, so these are super easy to make. You have to preheat the oven to 350 or 325. I'm gonna do 325 today. I'm cool with these guys. All you have to do is bake them for 10 to 12 minutes and take them out and consume them. It's perfect. It's been super sunny in Vancouver the past couple days. and leading up to Christmas, and it's been so beautiful outside. I've been so happy. My mood has been crazy gone up. My seasonal depression is just... For any of you who are wondering where I got this sweater, I got it at a thrift shop in Portland with one of my best friends. My favorite Christmas movies at the moment is Klaus, The Grinch, the newest Grinch one with Benedict Cumberbatch as the main character, and gosh, It's a Wonderful Life. I love it. It's a black and white old-time movie and it's so good. What are your favorite Christmas movies? I'm currently loving those three. If you want to let me know which you like and enjoy, let me know. I did not enjoy Holiday, but I did watch it all. It's a bad movie. Last but not least, I have been really enjoying Ariana Grande's old album, the Sweetener album, because I watched the Sweetener tour and I'm just like, so good. Obviously love her newest album as well, but I really am listening to my Christmas classics, Michael Bublé. I find it really enjoyable to talk to a camera if there's no one else around. Like, even when Jackson's around, I feel a little bit uncomfortable. But I feel like I'm actually talking to a friend when I talk to a camera now. So it's been nice. Back to doing the puzzle. So good. This one is like so cool. Oh my gosh, you're not gonna believe the phone call I just got. I need to get ready, get my money. I'm stressed out. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it at all, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.